Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Cola, naturally flavored, pomegranate, and raspberry tea. First thing you gotta do is you open up this tea bag and you pour it into this mug, excuse me, and then you're gonna be filling it with water. And then gonna be going like this, dipping it in, dipping it in, dipping it in. And then, after that, last but not least, you open up this can of cola naturally flavored and you fill it halfway into this glass. And there you go, folks. Here is your cola naturally flavored pomegranate and raspberry tea. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.